Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I'm going to break down for you how you can upload or import photos from your device in your Google Photos library, for example, on your mobile device, or as you can see also on your desktop computer. It is super simple, guys. So let me show you how to do that really quickly. All you will need to do is head over to Google Photos and make sure that you're logged in with your associated Google account. And after that, guys, if you'd like to upload, for example, you saved on your computer, not on your mobile device, but on your computer, simply click on that plus icon in the top right corner here on your home screen, where it says create and add photos. And from that menu below, simply select import photos here. Or for example, if you'd like to move them from Google Drive, select Google Drive. So if you'd like to import them from your device, so simply click on import photos here. And after that, locate the given file on your computer or device. Let me do that really quickly just for the sake of this tutorial. Wait for the upload process to be finished. That may or may not take a moment depending on the file size. And as you can see, after a brief moment, the given item will be added to your library so that you can edit it, move it, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.